My name is James W. Miao, 21 years old, from Sherwood, Alvera, Leyte, B73. Should divorce law be enacted in the Philippines? I believe that divorce law should be enacted in the Philippines because it provides a humane and realistic solution for couples trapped in marriage that can no longer repaired. Today, many Filipinos are relationship filled with violence, abandonment, or deep emotional harm. So, unfortunately, the current option is annulment and legal separation. So, they open expensive, slow, and out of reach for ordinary people. A divorce law would offer an clear, more accessible path for individuals who need protection and fresh start. Some people are hesitate about divorce because marriage is viewed as sacred and that beliefs for valid. In fact, Bible teach in Psalm 34:18, the Lord is close to broken-hearted and serve those who are crushed in spirit. This verse reminds us that God does not want His people to stay in situations that break spirit or place them in danger. Supporting the divorce law does not mean destroying families. Rather, it means protecting those who suffer silently and giving them a chance to live peacefully. Encrypted divorce can still respect the value of marriage by setting strict requirements and encouraging counseling to reconciliation whenever possible. But it also recognizes that there are cases where separation is necessary, especially when safety, dignity, and mental well-being are taken. Enacting is law in the Philippines is not about weakening the family, it's about defending the broken, abused, and abandoned. It offers compassion, fairness, and hope for those who and second chance in life. Thank you.